If you've been trying to make money online but feel stuck, overwhelmed, or completely lost with AI, this is going to be the most important video you watch today. Because AI Turbo Creator claims it can turn beginners into fully equipped digital creators using step-by-step AI workflows. So the big question is, does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped Warrior Plus product? After going through everything inside AI Turbo Creator, the short answer is yes. The training is practical, beginner-friendly, and it gives you real systems you can use to create content, build digital products, automate your marketing, and grow traffic using tools like ChatGPT, Canva, Pictory, Notion, and Zapier. It's one of the more complete training programs I've reviewed recently, especially for beginners. AI Turbo Creator is a step-by-step training system that teaches you how to use AI to create blogs, YouTube videos, emails, landing pages, digital products, microservices, and automated funnels. It's designed specifically for total beginners, freelancers who want to work faster, creators who want to grow an audience, and entrepreneurs who want automation. And the biggest pain point it solves is the common feeling of not knowing where to start. You don't need tech skills, design experience, or prior online marketing knowledge. Everything is explained in simple, screen-recorded walkthroughs. When you first log into AI Turbo Creator, you'll see a clean, step-by-step learning dashboard. The main modules include AI content and automation, AI freelancing and services, AI digital products, AI affiliate marketing and email automation, AI microservices and automation systems. Inside each module, you get over-the-shoulder training showing you exactly how to use tools like ChatGPT to create full articles, Canva to build branding and templates, Pictory to turn scripts into videos, Zapier to automate workflows, and Notion to organize your projects. The best part is that each lesson has clear actions you can take immediately. You're not just learning, you're building real assets as you move through the course. There are a few optional upgrades available inside the funnel. The first upgrade gives you additional advanced AI strategies and more automation workflows. The second upgrade includes done-for-you templates, prompts, and systems to make the process even faster. The final upgrade offers reseller or agency rights for those who want to sell these services or even resell parts of the system. All of them are optional, but if you want a shortcut, the done-for-you upgrade has the most value. If you decide to get AI Turbo Creator through the link below, you will also receive a premium bonus bundle designed to help you grow faster. Here are 10 high-value bonuses included today. Bonus 1, WordPress Slideshow Master. Create attention-grabbing slideshows for your pages and offers. Bonus 2, WordPress Swift Page Plugin. Instantly speed up your website and reduce bounce rates. Bonus 3, Lead Book Generator. Connect Facebook lead ads directly to your email list automatically. Bonus 4, WordPress Email Timer Plus. Add countdown timers inside your emails to increase urgency and sales. Bonus 5, Conversion Equalizer. Boost your Google Ads conversions by fixing hidden problems. Bonus 6, Sales Page Recycler. Reuse any sales page in different funnels without rebuilding from scratch. Bonus 7, Action Poll. Segment your audience for higher conversions. Bonus 8, Article Analyzer. Improve your SEO rankings with better optimized content. Bonus 9, Website Pouch Pro. Hide or reveal content bonuses or offers with one click. Bonus 10, Slide Up Bar Plugin. Add a clean, high-converting opt-in bar to your website. These bonuses alone are worth far more than the price of the course, and they are only available for a limited time. Make sure you click the link below to claim everything before the bonus bundle expires. AI Turbo Creator is one of the most beginner-friendly AI systems I've seen on Warrior Plus this year. If you want a clear path to using AI for content, marketing, automation, or digital product creation, this is a simple and affordable way to get started. But my exclusive bonus bundle is only available for a short window and will be removed once the limit is reached. If you want AI Turbo Creator plus all the premium bonuses you saw today, click the link below before the deadline. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like the video, drop a comment if you have questions, and subscribe for more honest reviews and digital marketing breakdowns. Click the link below to get instant access to AI Turbo Creator along with all the exclusive bonuses. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.